Look at this bed that my cousin have. Yeah, she named that, I don't know. That's a parrot or some kind of bird. Yeah. Hmm. She named she named that bird coo-coo. C C double O. Yeah, coo-coo. I don't know about the captions, but yeah, it's so cute. When you whistle, it will affect he. I don't know. He or she will chirp. Yeah, so nice. Hold on, let me actually. I pointed it. Look, standing on my finger. Yeah, it's kind of great. So nice. Look, can reach on my shoulder. Look, look, and look. It did it. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. It's on my back. Nothing happens. Yeah. I think he likes me. So, yeah. If you want to know about that, tell me in the comment. Or name it. Yeah. My cousin will love that if you name it something way cool. Peace.